Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is UNGA 88th meeting. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. Recently, the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA 80th session, is convening at a time when the world is embroiled in crises, from wars in Gaza and Ukraine to escalating global tensions. World leaders gather to tackle issues like climate change, international conflicts, and reforms to the UN, all while grappling with financial challenges. The theme for the general debate of the 80th session of the General Assembly is Better Together, 80 years and more for peace, development, and human rights. Now let's discuss about UNGA 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly begins on the 23rd of September, 2025. Amid increasing global turmoil, this session will focus on finding solutions for ongoing conflicts and crises, with discussions led by world leaders, including US President Donald Trump, on topics such as global peace, human rights, climate change, and the future of the United Nations. With 150-plus world leaders attending, the meeting is set to be a turning point for global diplomacy and international cooperation. Now let's discuss about United Nations General Assembly headquarters, located in New York City. The United Nations General Assembly is the primary decision-making body of the UN, consisting of all member states. It serves as a unique platform for multilateral discussions on a wide range of international issues outlined in the UN Charter. Each of the 193 member states has an equal vote. The Assembly convenes annually for regular sessions from September to December, and additional sessions are held as necessary. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the United Nations General Assembly. 1. The UNGA is the primary decision-making body of the United Nations and consists of all 193 member states. 2. The theme for the 80th session of the General Assembly is Better Together, 80 years and more for peace, development, and human rights. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 nor 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.